It's been a burning issue for years, the use of unflued gas heaters in public schools. Despite health concerns and a change of government, many students will have to get through at least one more winter before they're replaced. Today, schools across the state turned off their heating in an icy protest.
Rugged up and riled, parents and students came prepared.
Feeling cold?
Yeah.
Despite temperatures barely above freezing, Hazelbrook was one of around 50 schools going cold for the day in protest that unflued gas heaters still haven't been replaced. There's anger that despite a new government, most schools with the heaters will have to wait at least another winter before new equipment is installed.
When they were in opposition, apparently it was urgent that this situation was resolved. Well, now they're in government. The situation is still urgent, but the difference is that they've got to come up with the money and they've got to come up with a plan, and they need to do it sooner rather than later.
A study for the previous government found respiratory illness was higher in classrooms with the heaters. Teachers say that while kids are their main worry, staff are also at risk.
It was interesting that the report commissioned only dealt with students and didn't actually ask teachers what the impact was on them. We want our classrooms to be safe.
A report commissioned by the new government won't be completed until the end of September. 100 schools in the coldest areas will get new heaters this winter. The rest will have theirs replaced in phases. For campaigners, that's not good enough.
Blanket Day is a perfect illustration of just how frustrated parents, children and teachers are with the fact that they're having to continue to use harmful heaters in classrooms.
The Department of Education says it's disappointed that children are being drawn into protests. Keith Breene, ABC News, Hazelbrook.